Today we are take a look at rechargeable lithium-ion battery. I just bought it on AliExpress not long ago. I received it, so it's very light in the thing is that it charges from usual Samsung charger, and let's just try to charge it. Yeah, so green light, red light indicates that it's not charged fully, and if it's green, it's been charged. So I already charged it, and in full charged it's usually like using tester, it's like not fully 9 volt, it's only 8 volt. Just I already tested it, so just you have to take a look at that. But it's relatively cheap. It's around $3.5 without the delivery, so the delivery might be different for your country or region, but it's working with diode line. I use it for diode line, and it's, yeah, for that price it's very cheap and useful. But just pay attention to what your tester says. It's only 8 volts, so it's a little bit less than 9 volts, which is, I think, for that price is enough. That just be careful. And what else? So it's just as usual 9 volt battery, much cheaper than famous brands, and you know, like AliExpress price is very cheap for it. So I like it. It's like this.